It was super easy to implement. Here's a strategy that's worked well for me. I like to create content around a specific theme and then promote GIFs that fit that theme. For example, if I'm doing a stream on gaming, I'll promote gaming-related GIFs. It makes the experience feel more immersive and engaging for my viewers, and they're more likely to send GIFs because they know exactly what they're getting. Some of you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I actually make money from GIFs? Well, here's the thing. The key is to be consistent and persistent. You need to make GIFs a regular part of your content strategy, and then promote them in a way that feels authentic and engaging to your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. What works for one creator might not work for another. Here's a powerful tip that can significantly boost your earnings through GIFs. Create a gift leaderboard where you track the top gift senders of the week or month. It creates a sense of competition among your viewers, and it encourages them to send more gifts to climb the ranks. Trust me, it's a game changer. I've seen creators increase their earnings by up to 50% just by implementing this strategy. To recap, we've covered the growing popularity of GIFs in vertical streams and shorts, the common challenges creators face in monetizing their content, and some strategies for integrating GIFs into your content. We've also shared some success stories and powerful tips for boosting your earnings through GIFs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your experiences with GIFs. If you want more tips on monetizing your content, be sure to check out my other videos.